Well, good morning, everybody. It's about 12 noon on February the 10th. Currently, the entire state of Maryland is under blizzard conditions. You can't even see out our windows this time. All the snow has just piled up on the windows. Looks like the neighbors are out scooping and scooping and scooping. I was out earlier today, scooping for a little bit. We lost power for about an hour, maybe an hour and 20 minutes. So it hasn't been an easy day. This is our governor on TV. And right here is a picture of Baltimore downtown. They've currently closed both Harford County, where we live, and Baltimore County. The roads are totally shut down, so you're not even really allowed to be out. I had shoveled this entire deck off, and as you can see, it's pretty well covered again. This was cleared off this morning, the banister. It's not focusing. The banister was cleared off this morning. It's got about 3-4 inches on it again. Here's the view down here. So it's pretty crazy. Never seen anything like it, probably never will. And we're going to do a quick interview with the wife, if she'll cooperate this morning. Hi, Steph.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hi.
What do you think about all the snow?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool? Can you make eye contact with the camera? Oh, that's very cute. What are we going to do this afternoon?
Nothing?
Are we going to watch your favorite TV show?
No.
We're not?
No.
We're not going to watch The Biggest Loser?
It's not my favorite TV show.
What's your favorite show? What's your favorite show? Just tell me.
Amazing Race.
Oh, Amazing Race. I see. What else do you have to say to the camera?
Hi.
Oh, okay. I know my limits. That's all from her. Let's see if we can find the puppy. There's Sadie. Hello, puppy. I think that Sadie and I might have to make a little venture outside later. Here's the view out the front of the house. It'll adjust in a minute here. There we go. Oh, can't really see out it. So it's coming down pretty good.
So as a practical matter, we are leaving those sorts of declarations to the county, and in this case to the city of
Hi, Steph.
Do we have the personnel in the state police to help the city get tickets to
Sadie, come here. You want a treat? Come on, you want a treat? Can you sit? Yeah, it's a good girl. You gonna want a treat? Oh goodness, you're gonna give a big yawn too. Go get it. How was it? Come here, you want another one? Sit. Sit. Sadie, come. Sit. Ready? Go get it.
The wind gust creates a challenge that we did not have to contend with in
Did you find it?
of this big storm a few days ago.
All right, that's all for now.